Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to paint a palette knife seascape beach type vibe thing. This will be step by step how to go about that. So I have a 5x7 canvas board here. As you can see, the brand I'm using is Arteza, but you could use any brand. You don't need to paint on a canvas board. You could paint on anything. We're going to start by drawing out our beach. Probably just go about 2/3 of the way down, make a mark on that side. Oh, sorry, pardon me, I had spaghetti bolognese toasty for lunch. We'll just draw a line across. It doesn't have to be straight, beaches aren't perfect. I love doing these curved clouds as they kind of fade across the sky, so I'm just going to do some squiggly lines all around. Maybe I'll have one going across there, one across there. Lovely. Okay, you've drawn your template. We are going to take our cyan. I'm going to give them a bit of a shake. Squirt some out onto our palette. It's a piece of scrap wood that has just been painted on over all these years. Well, like two, because I'm not that old yet. Ooh. Then we're going to get our white. We're going to mix the colour for our sky. So what I tend to do is I tend to get a bit of blue, a bit of white, and it depends what kind of sky you want. Oh, my hair's touching the mic, that scared me, I thought it was a bug. I always use the palette knife flat to start with. Personally, I love it when there's loads of texture. Now I'm going to just get my white. It's okay if it has a bit of blue in it. Put it along the horizon line. Just keep going with that. It doesn't need to be neat, it's just all about experiment. It's all instinctive, really. I just want it to be a bit of fun. I would definitely recommend having some crummy flannel that you can wipe your paint onto, or, as I do, my sleeve. And we're just filling in all these gaps. I don't usually hold a palette knife like a flute, but I have to because I have a tripod leg that I can't actually move. Right, now I'm just mixing some more blue and white in together to create a bit of a darker colour. Oh, lovely. So we've got a bit of yellow. I'm going to get a fresh bit of white out so that we don't get any blue in it, because otherwise, colour theory here, blue and yellow make green. But if you want to have green in your sky, then why not? If you want to have orange in your sky, then why not? Or you could go for something with a bit of pink in your sky. We just want to add a tiny bit of yellow, and we want almost a whitey yellowy, like imagine that pastel yellow. You're a palm reader. Tell me what my future is. I'm just going to add some flecks of yellow. Oh, we've gone into the blue. What does blue make, folks? Everybody, yellow and blue makes? Woo! I'm going to imagine you all said green there. There we go, that'll do. Hey ho! Look at that, we've got a rising sun. So for the sea colour, I mix a bit of black and blue, and I just mix these two together. So I do a tiny bit of black in with quite a bit of blue for the sea. If I add a tad of white, you get this colour. So we are going to start by just getting a bit of white, and we're just going to mix it in with a bit of this bluey black that we've got. Right, I'm going to get a bit of white, and I'm just getting some more white so that I'm mixing it more of a lighter colour. Right, and we're just going along the sky parallel to the horizon line. Very sorry again, my phone's going off, but I'm in the tightest corner right now in my bedroom, and my chair hasn't got a bottom. What the hell am I talking about? We'll just leave it there, that doesn't need an explanation. Oh, explaining this though would be a good idea, Chloe. So I'm just getting just a tiny bit of white. I'm just moving across in parallel lines, just almost creating, oh here we go, GCSE physics coming into play here, peaks and troughs of the waves. Next is some darker, so do you remember that original colour that we mixed together of that black and blue? And sometimes, see, a little bit like that will happen. That is so nice, I love that. It will catch a bit of the lighter blue and just bring it forward. To be honest, at this point, it's just whatever's going on the palette knife. We've got a bit of that sky blue, we've got a bit of this ocean colour here. Just moving the paint around until you're comfortable with it. You could faff around with this for the rest of your life. Are we going to call it a day? Yes, we are. Add your signature, because a wise artist once told me, sign everything you paint, because you never know. This is what we've got, so thank you so much for watching. Like the video, give it a good old thumbsy uppy, subscribe if you want to see more little hacks, tutorials and arty farty stuff, and have a great day guys, bye!